it's not a wrap, that's for sure, man.
Yeah. That was probably before the wrap days, kind of. What's up, man? What you got going on?
What's happening, man? Well, I'm doing some flames on our customer Chris across the street here, Little Wings. He's got a customer who's got a 32 Ford, and he wanted to do kind of like a candy brandy wine, but he wanted to do a ghost flame, and he asked, "Hey man, you mind laying out some flames?" And I always love laying out flames, so I was like, "Yeah, no problem, man." So anyway, they're just gonna be ghost flames, and I'm not exactly sure even what ghosted color they're gonna put on top of it. I think it's just gonna be just a little bit of red pearl, maybe. But anyway, I'm just gonna lay them out for them. There won't be an outline or anything, so everything's just kind of fine lined and laid out.
Hey, what, you got 3 layers on there, it looks like.
Well, so I got my fine line right here. That was the initial design, and then I used the green tape right here because it's to start masking it, and I used the yellow to kind of.
Is that green tape stretchy?
Yeah,
you can stretch it around the.
You can stretch it way better than standard 3/4 tape. But anyway, I'm just masking it. Like I said, there'll be no outline. Just trying to knock it out here. Tricky part is making everything symmetrical.
Oh yeah.
So it's you're kind of measuring everything for little holes and trying to.
I didn't even think about that.
Well, 34 Ford, they're so curvy and round, and when you're trying to transfer it, some people they use the pounce paper and they'll put the pounce holes in there and lay it out and chop it out. I've never had that work for me too good. I'd rather just kind of eyeball it.
Yeah.
And then take reference points to measure it out and get it pretty squared away. And then really it's just a bunch of standing back and eyeballing it,
Yeah.
Getting it as close as you can, but
Cool.
some of them guys are like, "Hey, you can't see both sides at the same time." Well, that's true, but there's some people that'll probably come out.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So
just to do it. There's always that one guy.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, did you hear the channel hit 10,000 subscribers?
Yeah, that's pretty crazy. I mean, it's 10,000. I mean, that's pretty crazy for the short amount of time we've been on. So
it's a big milestone.
Yeah, it really is. Yeah. I mean, we've had the luxury of TV, for the last 7 or 8 years, but now it just seems like the YouTube's obviously where everything's going, and we're new to it, trying to get in the rhythm of it. It's a lot different than regular TV. The footage is kind of more raw, which I think is cool, and it's not edited up so much. It's just raw, man. That's the cool thing about it, man. Yeah, so it's pretty exciting. 10,000 subscribers. It's what we've been in. What, a month and a half, 2 months now?
Yeah, about 2 months. Yeah,
that's pretty good, man. It seems like YouTube's obviously what everybody's tuning into now. There's no more linear TV to go to, but we just appreciate everybody subscribing, checking out what's going on here. We thought it'd be pretty cool to do, in honor of all the subscribers and people still ordering a lot of shirts and a lot of merchandise and stuff. We thought it'd be cool for the next few weeks. We want to just add in a random order for the fans, for the customers. We thought it'd be cool, but what we did is we took the skin off our old car hauler, one of our car haulers, smaller one, and we reskinned it. But all the guys are like, "Man, you can't throw that stuff away," because we custom painted it a long time ago. It's got some skulls on it and stuff. So we cut them up, and these are all the old panels off the trailer. And I had this crazy flame job on here, these crazy skulls in there, and the guys are like, "Man, you can't pitch it away." So
yeah.
Chad and the guys cut it all up in little panels, and so we've been giving them away, and the guys at the shop was signing them and stuff, and people have been freaking out on them, man. So I thought somebody wants to hang it on the wall.
Yeah.
We'll throw it in on
just the random orders.
Some of the random orders, man. We'll throw them in.
For the next 3 weeks.
Yeah. Over the next 3 weeks, and
we'll throw one in an order.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
Because we don't want to throw them away, man. If somebody appreciates it, they can.
Well, that's your original artwork. How long ago did you paint that?
Oh man.
That would be the very beginning, almost kind of.
Well, yeah. This thing was probably painted 14 years ago.
Yeah.
14, 15 years ago. And so we changed up the skin on it and changed up the wheels on the straight. It's just an old trailer.
Yeah,
Works good. It's one of our smaller ones, but works good. And we just thought,
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
I mean, it's an original piece of art.
it
Yeah,
is. I
I think
guess,
it's
yeah,
cool.
it is. I mean, it's not a wrap, that's for sure, man.
Yeah. That was probably before the rap days, kind of.
It was way
Yeah.
before the wrap days, man. And you can see it's got some scratches and stuff, but
Yeah.
man, it's got some patina now, man.
Yeah, it's cool.
Anyway,
Awesome.
we're gonna throw in some random orders
Yeah.
for the loyal customers buying all the merch, and we appreciate it.
Cool.